I want to describe his wife as my jewel of inestimable value. I added my private treasure. But then, I think our marriage is not a coincidence because there are certain things we share. One, both our parents were settlers in Mabela Plateau. Both of us were born in the same locality. Both of us were born after a set of twins. Both of us were in the Gambo. Both of us were the last children of our mothers. Her date of birth was 1976, mine was 1967. If you exchange the last two, nothing. So, when people talk about what God has joined together, this is what they mean. What God has joined together, let no woman put asunder. Now, in trying to get the appropriate phrase or the appropriate word to describe my wife, I went around the world, checking all these dictionaries. Press. Then I remembered that there are certain words in our local dialect that cannot directly translate to English. So I decided to check Kamusa Turanji, the Hausa. I couldn't find the appropriate words. Then it occurred to me, for our Lord to create that phrase, he must have done a lot of research. So my jewel of inestimable value, thank you very much.